So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to share boards in Freeform. So the first thing you want to do is to open the app. So it's going to look something like this. So let's just open it up. And first of all, download the app on your app store. So it's mainly used for the iOS. So on here you can see a layout something like this from all boards, recents, shared, favorites, and you can even create your new board. So once you draw something or start creating something in a new board, it will automatically saved. It will automatically be saved. So from here you can see your boards. You can also title them. So you can see the options like rename, favorite, duplicate, and you can then see the option share. So if you click on share, you will see the option to collaborate. So you can send someone this and then give them the option to collab with you. Or you can change it so you can send a copy so they will just see it as it is right there. You can also export it as PDF, copy the iCloud link, as well as add to new quick notes and open in some other apps like Chrome. So you can even edit these actions, but once you choose a way, it will give you the option to send it, and your recipient of that link will be able to open that board if they have Freeform. So once you find your project, something you want to send, so that's how you can send a board and share them, which is basically just hold it a bit longer and then click on the share option right here. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video, you can also share the video, you can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Freeform or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.